Welcome everyone to a short video of the AC Owners Club Christmas Social Gathering. This rounded off the club's 75th anniversary year 2024. I wasn't expecting to see many ACs at this event. It was December, the weather had been stormy and the venue had very limited parking. That last point might seem odd, but the venue was in Thames Ditton where most models of AC were created. We had arranged for us to have a lunch at the old Swan pub by the river and close to the AC factory buildings. There was a gale blowing when I set off from home, and later in the evening there was a few hours of torrential rain, yet our pilgrimage was blessed with a short window of fine weather. I carpooled with 3 other members and we arrived early. Here is Terry trying to crack the code to enter the private footbridge. From there we could survey the area. On the back of the old AC ferry works you can see what AC really stands for. An AC Bristol arriving.
Where's going to park? Sorry, only proper cars can park. I would stick it behind the big zone. Behind the car there. Yeah. Only
What are the odds of 2 red AC Bristols popping up separately?
Hi, how are you? You never know who's going to turn up. I know. This man's nice. You remember him, don't you?
They don't do it. You have to have a second.
We also get to admire an AC Ace Brooklands. About 50 club members attended. I didn't video the lunch to respect everyone's privacy, but rest assured that this room filled up. After lunch our club archivist John took us on a walking tour of the AC related sites. Here's the ferry works again as seen from Summer Road. Moving a little way up the high street we find AC Court, the flats built on the site of one of the factory buildings. Facing away from AC Court we see where AC's head office and sales office used to be.
We're going to walk that way, but there is also a plaque on the far end of the white building.
On the next building along from AC Court we see this plaque.
I think from a spelling point of view as well, it's
Now nipping around the corner into Church Lane. Some of the old brick perimeter walls still survive. AC Cottages, I'm not sure if the company owned these. Part of the site is now a garden of remembrance, a peaceful contrast to when you imagine AC, Bristol or Ford engines being tested. It's after 3:30 PM and the light is fading, the end of a brief but enjoyable gathering. I mentioned in a previous video that AC car models have been so varied over the years. I noticed on this day that the owners and club members are also very varied. We don't all fit into a stereotype. I'll end with a view of 2 ACs departing. Thanks to the event organisers and our host at the Old Swan, who made us very welcome, and thanks to everyone who attended. And finally, thank you for watching.
Yeah. So she's got enough space, she's got a nice big house. Yeah, it's nice.
see your... I texted David the other day. I was in Tesco's filling up the fuel, and he was in the drive-thru with Becky at McDonald's, and I was texting him being like, oh, and he never replied. Anyway, see you guys.